To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, go to the chat conversation you want to clear. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap More. In the next menu, tap Clear Chat. You will then see the new Clear Chat interface with updated options. If you don't see it, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. If All Messages is selected, and you tap Clear Chat, it will delete everything in the chat, including all media. If you tap Media Files Only, the Clear Chat screen will show all types of media in the chat, videos and GIFs, photos, stickers, documents, and audio, with the size of each category and checkboxes next to them. You can select or deselect the items you want to delete. If you also want to clear starred media, make sure to tick the Clear Starred Media option. Then, tap Clear Media at the bottom to remove the selected items from the chat. You will then see a message saying, the deletion will finish in the background, you may continue to use the app. After it's done, the selected messages or media will no longer appear in the chat, and storage space on your device may be freed up depending on what was deleted. Clearing chat helps free up storage, and keep your WhatsApp organized by removing unnecessary messages and media. So, that's how you can clear chat and media in WhatsApp quickly and easily.